In this video, we're going to show how our BlackBox devices work. If you have to use one of these devices, you will probably be assigned to an entrance gate, and will have to use it for reading tickets and creating wristbands. The device has a barcode reader on its bottom part, an antenna for reading wristbands in the middle of its front side, and an LED light on the upper part. The first thing you'll have to do when a visitor arrives will be to take their ticket and read it with the device. When reading a barcode or a QR code, make sure that the red light covers all its length in the correct direction. To do so, you may have to slowly move the ticket closer or farther from the device until the LED light starts to blink green. If you have to read a ticket on a smartphone, ask the visitor to set the screen to maximum power, so your device won't have problems in reading it. When the LED light starts to blink green, it means that the ticket is valid, and that the device is waiting for you to write the information of the ticket into a wristband. Take an empty wristband and hold it firmly against the middle of the front side in the indicated area. Please make sure that the wristband is in full contact with the device and stays still. Once the writing is completed, you'll hear a confirmation sound. The LED light will stop blinking and give a steady green light. This means that the transaction has been realized correctly, and now the wristband contains the information shown on the ticket. Just to make sure everything is correct, move the wristband away from the antenna and then put it back against it. If the wristband has been created correctly, the device will beep and give a green light again. The information written on the wristband will be the personal data of the visitor, and the access rights according to the date and time shown on the ticket. In the case of a cashless event where people are able to charge money on their wristband, if the client topped up their tickets online, the money too will be written on the wristband. When reading the ticket, if instead of giving a blinking green light, the device beeps and gives a red light, it means that there's an issue with the ticket. It may not be valid for the date or time, or the client may be trying to enter through the wrong gate. For example, through a VIP lane instead of a normal one. Please check the information on the ticket and try to understand the issue, so to give the right information to the client. If you can't understand what the issue with the ticket is, try to repeat the process, and if it keeps giving error, send the client to the customer support.